Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 食べたらコロッケ. I love Japanese potato croquette, but it's a bit of work to make. So today, I'm making 食べたらコロッケ, meaning Japanese potato croquette when you have it. It doesn't look like Japanese croquette at all, but it tastes exactly like it when you have it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this 食べたらコロッケ, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 300 grams of ground meat. I'm using half pork and half beef, but you can use any ground meat you like. 3 to 5 potatoes depending on the size. 1 onion. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon each of sugar, sake and mirin. 1½ a cup of panko breadcrumb and some salt and pepper. As always, let's do all the cutting first. So onion. Cut the top off. Keep the bottom on. Peel the skin. Cut into half. Make some slits here. And slice. Same for the other half. Potatoes. Let's peel the skin. Remove the eyes if there is any. Then cut into chunks. Put about a tablespoon of water. You don't need to measure it, just eyeball it. Cover it and microwave until it's nice and soft. I did 8 minutes at 600 watts, and the toothpick can easily go through. Let's mash it while it's still hot. Put the cover back on so that it doesn't dry and just let it sit. Now, let's prepare the panko breadcrumb. Heat up 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium-high heat, and let's add the panko. Mix well and just cook it until it's nicely browned. Okay, it's nicely browned like a color of deep fried croquette. Let's take out in a bowl. In the same frying pan, let's cook the meat and onion. No oil needed. Once the meat is browned, add onion. Onion is clear and well cooked too. Mirin, sake, sugar, soy sauce, and some salt and pepper. Keep cooking to cook down the sauce. When there is almost no liquid left, turn the heat off. Make sure to season this well. You're going to mix this with potato, and potato will balance off the saltiness. Let's put the potato, mix well. Let the potato soak up all the juice. Then let's put it back into the ovenware. Cover it with panko. And grill in the oven. Grilled for 10 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius until the panko is slightly darker, and it's done. Serve on the plate. Put some sauce if you like. This is like tonkatsu sauce, but you can use any sauce you like. いただきます。It tastes exactly like Japanese potato croquette, but lighter and even better. The meat and onion mixture makes the potato very moist, and it's a perfect match with the crust on top. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 食べたらコロッケ is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and enoki miso soup or any soup you like here. The main is rich, so how about fresh daikon salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!